If you're traveling to Thailand and planning to capture its beauty from above, you're in the right place. But before you take off, there are a few things you need to know to keep things legal and stress-free. Thailand is an amazing place to fly your drone, but you do need the proper permissions to do so. Whether you're here for a short trip or an extended stay, the rules are pretty clear, and trust me, it's worth getting them right. You don't want to pay hundreds of dollars or even end up in a jail. I know what you're thinking, sounds like a lot of paperwork. Well, it's actually not as complicated as it seems. Starting in January 2025 there is a new process for getting the permission, but we are here to help you. Of course you will have to fill out some forms or even pass the test, but don't worry. We have prepared step-by-step guide which will help you to get the permissions without any problems. We'll even help you to prepare for the test. Now, let's talk about flying in national parks. This is where a lot of drone pilots get confused. It's true that flying in many national parks is restricted, but you can get permission. Flying your drone in Thailand's most iconic spots is 100% possible. You just need to follow the right steps, and we're here to help you do that easily. We have even translated Thai documents for you with the help from locals so you won't have any troubles with translating, which is not that easy. So, if you want to make sure you're all set to fly legally and safely, check out the link in the description below. Our step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get your permissions and start flying with peace of mind. With the right guide, you'll be capturing Thailand's beauty from above in no time. Grab the guide and enjoy your flight.